Ethereum value equivalent to 70,542 rands a coin. The present cost range 70,260 70,6588. The earlier day close 70,4300. The change was 758, 102%. Backwards rate ZAR to ETH. Ethereum cost expectation for July 2024. At the outset, cost at 113,551 rands. Excessive cost 131,875, while low cost 113,551. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 120,556. Ethereum cost conjecture toward the month's end 123,248, change for July 85%. Ethereum conjecture for August 2024. At the outset, cost at 120,248 rands. Excessive cost 150,622, while low cost 120,248. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 134,472. Ethereum cost conjecture toward the month's end 148,768, change for August 14.2%. Ethereum cost expectation for September 2024. Before all else, cost at 140,768 rands. Excessive cost 161,268, while low cost 148,168. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 148,231. Ethereum cost conjecture toward the month's end 150,718, change for September 7.1%. Ethereum conjecture for October 2024. Before all else, cost at 150,718 rands. Exorbitant cost 160,4051, while low cost 140,2587. The found the middle value of cost 150,2669. Ethereum cost estimate toward the month's end 153,3019, change for October 17%. Ethereum cost expectation for November 2024. To start with, cost at 153,319 rands. Exorbitant cost 154,112, while low cost 133,948. The found the middle value of cost 146,352. Ethereum cost estimate toward the month's end 140,4030, change for November 6.1%. Ethereum estimate for December 2024. First and foremost, cost at 140,4030 rands. Exorbitant cost 140,4030, while low cost 120,2047. The found the middle value of cost 135,387. Ethereum cost estimate toward the month's end 130,341, change for December 8.8%. Ethereum cost expectation for January 2025. First and foremost, cost at 131,341 rands. Exorbitant cost 137,980, while low cost 119,926. The found the middle value of cost 129,550. Ethereum cost gauge toward the month's end 128,953, change for January 1.8%. Ethereum gauge for February 2025. In the first place, cost at 128,953 rands. Exorbitant cost 149,087, while low cost 128,953. The found the middle value of cost 130,582. Ethereum cost gauge toward the month's end 139,334, change for February 8.1%. Ethereum cost expectation for Walk 2025. To start with, cost at 139,334 rands. Exorbitant cost 150,368, while low cost 130,778. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 145,138. Ethereum cost figure toward the month's end 140,7073, change for spring 5.6%. Ethereum figure for April 2025. Initially cost at 140,7073 rands. Excessive cost 170,589, while low cost 140,7073. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 150,7492. Ethereum cost figure toward the month's end 160,2033, change for April 10.3%. Ethereum cost expectation for May 2025. To start with, cost at 160,233 rands. Exorbitant cost 180,4947, while low cost 160,749. The found the middle value of cost 170,194. Ethereum cost estimate toward the month's end 170,2848, change for May 6.5%. Ethereum gauge for June 2025. In the first place, cost at 170.208048 rands. Exorbitant cost 214.5139, while low cost 170.2848. The found the middle value of cost 190.85. Ethereum cost figure toward the month's end 200.504. Change for June 16%. Ethereum cost expectation for July 2025. Before all else cost at 200.504 rands. Excessive cost 200.504, while low cost 170.530. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 188,726. Ethereum cost figure toward the month's end 183,366. Change for July 85%. Ethereum figure for August 2025. Before all else cost at 183,366 rands. Excessive cost 199,341, while low cost 170,259. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 185,567. Ethereum cost figure toward the month's end 186,300. Change for August 16%. Ethereum cost expectation for September 2025. Initially cost at 186,300 rands. Excessive cost 231,236, while low cost 186,300. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 249,86. Ethereum cost figure toward the month's end 216,108. Change for September 16%. Ethereum figure for October 2025. Initially cost at 216,108 rands. Excessive cost 216,108, while low cost 180,367. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 226,669. Ethereum cost conjecture toward the month's end 196,94. Change for October 93%. Ethereum cost expectation for November 2025. At the outset cost at 196,94 rands. Excessive cost 200,100, while low cost 170,3918. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 180,280. Ethereum cost conjecture toward the month's end 187,009. Change for November 46%. Ethereum gauge for December 2025. To start with, cost at 187,009 rands. Exorbitant cost 230,2015, while low cost 187,009. The found the middle value of cost 205,766. Ethereum cost figure toward the month's end 216,930. Change for December 16%. Ethereum cost expectation for January 2026. Initially cost at 216,930 rands. Excessive cost 235,829, while low cost 249,73. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 219,533. Ethereum cost figure toward the month's end 220,401. Change for January 16%. Ethereum figure for February 2026. Initially cost at 220,401 rands.